Hi everyone, this is Albena from Bulgarian Mama is Cooking, and today we are making mini stollens. So put on your aprons and let's get started. So this is a super easy and effective recipe that you can make for your family and friends with or without occasion. First, I'm starting by chopping the chocolate. I'm using this semi-sweet chocolate chip, but any chocolate would do. Milk chocolate you can use, you can even do dark chocolate, it's really up to you. And then in a medium mixing bowl, I will combine it with some ground walnuts and some raisins. Now if you prefer to use any other nuts or any other dried fruit, you can definitely give it a try, but in my opinion this combination is just the best. And then to that deluxe mix, I will add about tablespoon and a half of this awesome orange zest. Now you can definitely do lemon, but in my opinion orange is better. And then I'm gonna put that mix on the side. And then using the paddle attachment of my mixer, I will combine the soft butter, cream cheese, sugar, and vanilla flavor until I get paste-like consistency. Here's the consistency you are looking for, and then to that mix, I will add 1 egg and I will whisk it by hand. So I'm gonna grab my whisker and start whisking. And it doesn't matter if the egg is gonna be a room temperature or a cold one. Next, I will sift the flour and the baking powder, and for this recipe I definitely recommend that you use cake flour. It is softer and it's just easier to work with. However, if you don't have a cake flour, any regular all-purpose flour will do. And then I'll use my hand to combine everything and get a very soft dough. Now if the dough is too sticky, then you can definitely add a little bit more flour, maybe 10 to 20 grams, but no more than that. And now it's time to combine the dough and the mix that I left earlier on the side. And now I'm gonna use my hands again to combine it all and form one big dough ball. I'm moving this to my cutting board, which I found in Home Goods by the way, and now I'm gonna start forming my mini stollens. I have my tray with parchment paper on, and I've put some baking spray also, and I'm grabbing a little piece of dough. I'm forming it in a small ball that is about 24 grams, and from this mixture you're gonna get about 38 small stollens. And then these are gonna go in a preheated oven at 320 for about 16 to 17 minutes. When you take the stollens out of the oven and you turn them and you see that their downside is golden brown, that means they are ready. The last step is to smear every single stollen with some butter, and then I'll sprinkle them all with lots and lots of powdered sugar. These stollens are an amazing mini desserts that have this awesome citrusy flavor to them. Make them for your friends and family, and trust me, you will get recipe requests. Stollens are usually made around Christmas time, but honestly you can make them any time of year and just enjoy the awesome, very flavory, buttery, citrusy taste. And with the first video for 2021, I want to wish you all a happy new year. Thank you for watching and supporting Bulgarian Mama is Cooking. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already with the bell on so that you know every time when I upload a new video. And I will talk to you very soon. Bye for now.